Hello guys, my name is Essen and I'm creating this video on behalf of Incept MVP team which provides web and mobile app development services mostly in low code technologies. If something is not possible to do with low code technologies, then we choose to use coding technologies. Like for mobile apps, we use Flutter for developing mobile apps. So here is our website, and we have listed down the recent apps that we have created for different clients. In today's video, I'm going to show you the app which is created for the company named the Packer. So this is an MVP developed by them. So they requested this app which is like a marketplace where founders can create profiles and similarly investors can create profiles. They can provide the criteria, like founders can provide all the information about the product that they are going to launch, like which industry it belongs to and what type of thing they are building. And on the investor side, they can tell us like in what type of startups they would like to invest. So there are some questions which will be asked from founders and investors, both of them, for creating profiles. So after they create profiles, a founder will be connected with relevant investors which will be matching them based on the criteria that they have provided. So this is using an algorithm on backend which is connecting founders with relevant investors. And the important thing about this the Backer app is that it is built on API. It means that the data of this app is not stored on Bubble, but it is stored on an external database, and we are accessing that data through APIs. Okay, so this app is completely built on top of external data. So if you have similar app to be built by our company, then you can ask from Petron Incept MVP team. So here is the app. This is the login page. I will be just be going to the main page, so you can see like how the first page looks like. This is the app which was designed for mobile purpose. So I will be opening its link here. This is the home page link. uh, Let me open this here. Once the app is completely ready, then it will be deployed into mobile version. So you have two options here. You can create an account here by using these two options, or you can log in into the existing user. So you have two options for creating a new user. Either you can be a founder or you can be an investor. So I will be trying to create a new account being a founder. So once I will select this, I will be having an option to provide my name, and I will just be putting my email address here. Yes, let's see if this user already exists into the app or not. Yes, forward slash 123. Sign up. Let's see if it goes there. If it the user is already existing, then it will give an error. I will provide a test startup name. So these are the questions related to the founder. So founders have to fill all this information for creating an account here. So if they have selected AgTech, then relevant options are showing here: seed and raising amount, which they will select, and then they will click on create profile button. So once it is clicked, then a user will be created. It's taking some time because it's in the test version right now. So in the live version, this process is a little bit faster. So all the investors which are they will be all the investors will be showing here which fulfill the criteria of the founder, which are working, which are going to invest into a startup, into a particular area or a particular type of idea. They will be showing here. So you can save, once an account is created, you can save a particular investor here by clicking on this button. Once you will click on this button, they will be saved, and then you can see them here in the saved investors section. So you can see that this investor is saved here. You can see all of your saved investors here. Similarly, you can see your profile information and you can change it too. Okay. So the information which is filled by you, that will be showing here. You can change your criteria too, and you can upload your pitch deck and everything here. So once it is done, you can also change your profile picture. And once you are done with your work, you can log out from the app. Okay. So uh, this is going to log out. Now I will be going to the investor side. I will be logging in as an investor into the app. I already have a user created, so I will be going to log in into the app instead of creating a new investor into the application. So this is the investor. I will be putting here the user and password here, and let's see if I get successfully logged in or not. So once I will log in, similarly, I can see some of the founders. I will be able to see their details here, and I can save this information if it is not saved, and pipeline and profile information. So this is very simple app which is created, and its development is in progress. And in future there will be updates coming into the app. And this is for mobile purpose. This will not be this is not created currently for web application, but in future the web version of this app will also be created. So if you have any idea where you have to implement an app where the database is not on bubble, it is on some external database, and you we have to access that data using the bubble API connectivity option, then we can build that type of applications. So this is just for a demo purpose. In the upcoming days, I will be uploading more videos about the startups we are working with and what type of apps we are building with them. So thank you very much.